This is a 65-inch Samsung TV. Sorry, the light from my camera makes it harder to see, but makes it easier to see back here. So it's 65-inch Samsung TV, but it's a 2014, so it's too old to have Bluetooth built in. I just turned the device on. It has TX lit up to show that it's in transmit mode, and just the A light is lit up on there to show that it's connected to these AirPods, and it ends up working perfectly without any latency.
Que no merezco que me escuche, que ni con flores ni peluche me va a ganar tu corazón.